I'm going through my empties from the last year and a half, and I've got my category today, peptides and growth factors. Why am I bunching them? Because some of the products have both combined, and I think it just makes sense to have them both together. I want to make a caveat that none of the products I tried in this category over the last year were disappointing. They were just efficacious at different levels. So depending on what you're looking for, what age you are, what your goals are for your skin, some of these will fit you at different points in life. So let's go through it. I'm going to start out with two Hito products. So this is the Hito Peptide Hydrator, the resveratrol one. It's got like little pink bubbles in it when it's full, and it's a clear serum. It lived up to its name, so definitely hydrating. The resveratrol, the pink bubbles that you have, you kind of massage into your skin until they are absorbed. And what you need for that is super damp skin to ensure that you have the slip necessary for those bubbles to be absorbed. Did I like it? Yes. If you're in your 20s or 30s considering a peptide product, then this is definitely something that I would recommend to you. If you're somebody that has very dry skin, I would also recommend this to you. The hydration is next level, and resveratrol is one of the best antioxidants we have out there. It is sensitive to light and heat, so I recommend that you use this at night and not during the day. Here's another Hito peptide product. This is just their peptide hydrator. Again, same thing as the first one I talked about. I like using it. Hydration's really good. You decide whether you want this or you want the one with the resveratrol. Next is this Hito product. You can't read it too well, but it's their RHF 24 karat nano gold basal repair serum. Mouthful, yes, but what it's got is an epidermal growth factor. Now, did it work well? Yes. Why don't I have more empties of it? Because I went to another product that I liked better that combined more peptides, more growth factors, is a better fit for where I am in my aging skin journey. So this is the Maylove Peptide Squad. It has all 4 categories of peptides in it. I think it did okay. If you're somebody that is not looking at growth factors or you're using a dedicated growth factor serum, then this is definitely a peptide that I would recommend. It's got a GHKCU, which is, copper has a lot of regenerating power in it. I think this is definitely worth a try by anybody who's interested in peptides. Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides. I love this. Like, love this. Where are my other empties? I promise I've been through at least 3 or 4 of these bottles. We've probably just thrown them away or misplaced them, unfortunately, but this is great value for your money. If you're new to peptides and you want to see what good peptides can do for your skin, I would absolutely recommend that you start with this. Fantastic. Next are these Sevara Magiferm peptides. I got these because Alex, the cosmetic chemist, recommended these for static wrinkles, those straight lines that you have. Dynamic wrinkles, things that form because you make expressions, are treated with other peptides than static lines, things that just live here. And I've got some wrinkles here that are beginning to be set in. So I started using these. I do like them. I just like my current product better. And then I had to try Alex's own Freeze Frame Educated Mess. I think it's a fine product. I personally don't like the cooling sensation that menthol lactate provides. And for that reason alone, I chose not to reorder this. In terms of results, I think this is a good peptide product. Is it as potent as, say, Allies of Skin? I personally don't think so. If you're in your 30s, 40s, if you're just seeing your first lines, if you've got a few lines already, then this is definitely a product that you should be looking at. And then there's Medicaid liquid peptides. I'm currently testing the advanced version of these, but let's talk about these because, the advanced version is not an empty yet. So as you can see, I went through these. I do like the results that these products provide. I think 1 or 1.5 of these were probably emptied by my husband, actually. So this is a product. It doesn't matter what age group you're in. This is a solid peptides product. I mean, absolutely solid. So do I recommend? Yes. Once again, the only reason I am with another product is because they combine growth factors, and this is peptides only. And then my holy grail, the Allies of Skin Multi-Peptides and Growth Factors Advanced Lifting Serum. So these 4 are my own. These couple are what my husband has used, and all I can say is I love this product. It's got a maxed out growth factor complex. It's got a 9% peptide complex. It's got copper lice in it, and that's going to give you the regenerative power of copper. And it's got other ingredients that help with tone and texture as well. So as somebody that struggled with hyperpigmentation with very uneven skin, getting that help in my skin journey was absolutely fabulous. I don't know that this serum can be replaced by any product that I have used so far or am trying so far. We'll see. For the moment, it's absolute holy grail status, and my empties speak to that. Why so many peptide empties? Because I'm generous with them. I really am. Do I slather it on? No. Do I use more than 1 pump? Always. And I use it religiously AM and PM. I use it on my face. I use it on my necks, especially the crepey skin that's beginning to form here. And I absolutely use it on the backs of my hands as well. So that's all for my peptide and growth factor product empties. Let me know if you have any questions and follow along as I continue to cover more empties.